Are you struggling to make ends meet? Can you save some money at the end of every month? There are few money skills which you must master to earn and save thousands of dollars, without any extra effort. In this video we will be telling you 10 of these money skills that you must master to get rich. Don't skip any part of the video from between or you would miss the important parts. Now let's start. 1. Budgeting. Even though knowing how to set and stick to a budget is the cornerstone of sound personal money management, only approximately a third of the population actually does so. For a long time, I didn't bother with a detailed budget, only utilizing the amount in my bank account as a proxy for my disposable income. At some point, I saw that this was a disastrous approach to managing my own money. You can't stop your money from disappearing without first creating a thorough budget so you can start making conscious decisions about how and where to spend it. Creating a budget by listing all of your income and spending is only the beginning. Every month requires careful budgeting and diligent effort to avoid falling off the rails. It takes talent to figure out where you can cut down so that you can pay for those unexpected bills that always seem to creep up. 2. Separating needs versus wants. Is it time for a new computer? It's what my offspring tell me I'm like. In the days of George W. Bush, this same computer was used for gaming. While waiting for a website to load on my computer, I will often use my phone to do a search. However, a new computer is not something I need. Initiating payments, maintaining my budget spreadsheet, and even producing books and videos for side money are all things that I can accomplish on my old computer. The ability to distinguish between necessities and luxuries is a cornerstone of sound financial management. Bigger, better, and more modern options are almost limitless. Learn to objectively categorize purchases into needs and wants to improve your ability to budget effectively. Do press the subscribe button and also the like button if you want to know the best tricks to earn money. 3. Driving down interest rates. A lot of individuals are in the red. By the end of the year, Americans will have amassed a cumulative credit card debt of $1 trillion. The ideal strategy is, of course, to pay off your debt as fast as possible so that you may save money on interest payments and have more disposable income available for investments or other possibilities. While you are working to eliminate your debt, however, it is to your advantage to maintain the lowest interest rates available. Current credit card interest rates average close to 15%. If you don't pay attention to your credit card interest rate, you might wind yourself paying 15% or more. There is a high probability that you may get a better value by shopping around. If you have a decent credit score, you may be able to discover a balance transfer deal with a 3% balance transfer fee and 0% interest for a year or longer. 4. Continuous investment. Rich people don't just cut down on expenses and hoard their cash. They then go the next step and invest the savings they've accrued via careful budgeting. To really transform your life and give you the freedom to do what you love, you need to adopt an investing mindset and see the pennies you save turn into dollars. In the long run, even a little investment may pay off if you save consistently over time. Investing money consistently for the future rather than consuming it now takes discipline. Intelligent investors monitor economic trends and the performance of their assets to determine which kinds of investments to purchase and how to best manage their portfolio. Regular investing over a long period of time is the single most significant component in financial success. 5. Bargain hunting. People that are noted for their thriftiness are often known for their deal-seeking prowess. Buying anything requires some detective work to figure out how to acquire what's required while spending as little as possible. Coupons and comparison shopping are staples of the bargain hunter's toolkit. Savings of 50% or more might be realized by opting to purchase a used item rather than a brand new one. Used versions of long-lasting items like cars or tools are great buys, but the rapid pace of technological advancement means that it's frequently wiser to acquire brand new versions of these items. 6. Reuse. The classic adage "waste not, One knot is a succinct way to sum up the valuable life skill of reusing items. Avoiding waste ensures that one has sufficient resources for all needs. Just recently, my dad and I had a lengthy discussion regarding the family's longest-lasting article of clothes. I've already stated how several of my college-era garments are still serving me well now. My dad just told me he's wearing a shirt that's approximately 40 years old. 7. Food preparation. There has been a phenomenal increase in the popularity of eating out, fast food, and prepared foods purchased from supermarkets. Planning and putting in the time and effort to cook your own meals at home pays off in the long run with significant financial savings and improved health. 8. Do-it-yourself, DIY. It seems like the going rate for everyone who comes to my home to conduct work is between $80 and $100 an hour. To keep costs down, I do as much maintenance and repairs as I can without calling in help. The ability to sweat copper pipes with a torch and do other basic plumbing repairs was a skill I picked up. If anything involves electricity, I could probably fix it or wire it. While some of my neighbors pay for professional landscape maintenance, I do the mowing and weeding myself. The more you can do for yourself, the more cash you can keep in your pocket. 9. Saying no. Saying no may help you save both time and money in many situations. Help your neighbor's youngster reach his or her fundraising goal by subscribing to a magazine you have no interest in reading. What about no as an alternative? Do you feel like driving 20 miles one way on your day off to attend a committee meeting? Again, no is the best option here. Donating time or money to a good cause is something many people would want to do, but it's easy to feel forced into doing something you don't like. 10. Negotiation. Mastering the art of negotiation is essential whether you want to receive a good price when you shop or a good package when you accept a job offer. Most individuals dislike the art of negotiating. The simplest option is to pay the asking price or to accept the offer price from a buyer or employer. But if you learn to bargain well, you may keep a lot more of the money that would otherwise go to the other party. That's all for this video. Do practice these skills to master them. Americans lack these skills, and that's why they can't get rich. If you want to become a millionaire, then adopt these skills. These skills will make you rich without any effort. Sir Warren Buffett, Robert Kiyosaki, and all other billionaires possess these money skills. Press the subscribe button to watch regular financial videos. We upload the financial news the fastest. Press the like button if you loved watching the video. Comment below if you are having any queries or suggestions. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.